Hello students, today I am going to discuss one of the important chapter of your class 12 accountancy, retirement of a partner. We already discussed about the basic thing related to retirement of a partner. In today's class I am going to solve one important question related with retirement of a partner. Now this is the question. First of all, you have to pause that video, then write that question in your copy and solve it according to my video. Okay, so here is the question. Now in this question it is written PQR were partner in a firm sharing profit in the ratio 2:2:1. Okay, sharing profit in the ratio 2:2:1. And the balance sheet of 31st/3/1998 was as follows. Sundry creditors written here 30,000, Provident Fund 8,000, Reserve Fund 12,000, Capital 30,000 for P, Q and R 30 and 20, cash at bank, debtors, less provision, stock, investment, patent, plant and machinery will be there. Now, from that question, are retired on the above date. Here is some adjustment. Goodwill of the firm valued at 1 lakh. Value of patent was to be reduced 20%. Value of plant and machinery by 10%. Provision for doubtful debt was to be raised 6%. I took over investment at a value rupees 15,800. Provident Fund was overvalued. Actual liability on the account of Provident Fund was only 6,600. So you have to link each and every adjustment with that old balance sheet. Okay. Show the journal entries of the treatment of goodwill. Prepare revaluation account, capital account and balance sheet. You know that balance sheet is not there in this academic session. CBSE will remove that balance sheet from that academic session 2021. Okay. So now we have to solve that question. First of all, I am going to write the old ratio. Okay. Here old ratio is 2:2:1. Now new ratio. New ratio is not there. So R is retired. Here written R retired. Okay. So new ratio 2:2. P, Q, R, here P and Q. Okay. Then what is the gain ratio? Ratio 1:1. Gain ratio. New minus old. For P, 1 minus 2 minus 2 by 5. Okay. For Q, 1 by 2 minus 2 by 5. So for 1 by 10, 1 by 10. Okay. So the gain ratio P is to Q, 1:1. Okay. This is the gain ratio of P and Q. Now I have to write a journal here. Date, particulars, LF, amount. Okay. The journal entries, date, particulars, KLF amount rupees debit and credit. Okay, so we have to write journal, then we have to write that revaluation account. Okay, revaluation account. So then partners capital account. Particulars PQR, particulars PQR. Okay, now first of all you see the goodwill. Here adjustment number 1, it is written goodwill of the firm valued at 1 lakh rupees. Here it is written goodwill of the firm valued at rupees 1 lakh. Okay, so R's goodwill, what is the value of R goodwill? Calculation of goodwill. R's goodwill is equal to 1 by 5, that old ratio. R part is 1, here it is written R part is 1 by 5 into 1 lakh rupees, so 20,000. So 20,000 is R's goodwill, and what is the gain ratio? 1:1 for P and Q. That 20,000 distributed into 1:1. Okay, so being goodwill adjusted with their retirement of R, so I have to write here is capital account debit, use capital account debit to R's capital account, being goodwill adjusted on the retirement of R. 10,000, 10,000, 20,000. Which ratio? 1:1 ratio. That's why 10,000, 10,000. Okay. Now we have to solve that revaluation account. In revaluation account, here it is written in old balance sheet, provident fund is there. The goodwill of the firm value of the patent was to be reduced by 20%. Value of the firm patent reduced by 20%, and the plant and machinery by 10%. Okay, so value of the patent and plant and machinery both are asset. That's why that plant and machinery and patent decreases by 20% and 10%. So write to patent, in which side we write the decreased value of asset. 2. Plant and machinery 7,000. Okay, plant and machinery 7,000. The direct value. When it is written by, then in that case you have to direct the value to decrease on that asset. Next one is provision for doubtful debt is to be raised by 6%. Raised means increased. Raised means increased by 6%. So liabilities increase. So 2, provision on debtors. What is the value? 500. Right here, the picture increased by 6%. Remember, increased by 6%. Okay. So, how did 6% come? What is the value of 25,000 liters? 25,000 to 25,000 into 6 by 100, 1,500. Okay. What is the previous value of that provision? 1,000. What is the new value? 1,500. What is the extra amount of provision? Is 500. So that's why you have to write that 500 here. Okay. Next one is R took over the investment a value of 15,800. This is another issue. Next one is provident fund was to be overvalued. Actually, the liability of an account provident fund was only 6,600. So, what is the value of provident fund? Provident fund is 8,000. Now, overvalued is actual value was 6,600. So, the decreased value of the provident fund is by provident fund 1,400. Okay. So, next one is what was the investment? R took over the investment at a value of 15,800. What is the value of investment? 14,000. Investment is 14,000. R took over the investment 15,800. In that case, 1,800 would be right here by investment. 1,800 will be very important. Okay, 1,800. So our value total is 8,900. 8,900. I think that credit side is lower than debit side. So we have to write loss transferred to P's capital, Q's capital. What is the value? R capital 2:1 is the ratio. What is the total value? 5,700. 5,700 is my loss. We have to distribute that 5,700 into 2:1 ratio. So first one is 2280, 1140. Okay. So in partners capital, you write first that by balance BD, that amount of that capital 30,000, 30,000 and 20,000. Okay. So you have to write that thing 30,000, 20,000. Okay. So next one is you have to distribute that reserve fund 12,000. So by reserve account 4,800 and 2,400. Now you have to distribute what investment will be there. The profit, loss division by to loss on revaluation. What is the value? The value is 2280 to 2280 1140. Now, if you carefully see that picture, it is written that R took over the investment at a value 15,800. I repeat, R took over the investment at a value 15,800. So we have to write here to investment directly in R account. Okay, I repeat my adjustment. R took over the investment at a value 15,800. So the value is decreased from the previous balance. The value is decreased from the previous balance of investment. Increase balance of investment. That's why I have to write that thing in a credit side of revaluation account. Then I have to write that investment value in partners capital account, because R's name was there, particularly R name was there. That's why this is a capital accounts part. That's why I have to write that 15,800 in a capital account. Okay, so we have to write that thing. Then the goodwill calculation will be there. What is the value of the goodwill calculation? 10,000, 10,000 and 20,000. So in credit side, always remember, in credit side you have to write by. In credit side you have to write by is capital by R's capital. In P's capital you have to write 10,000 in R's account. Vice versa in debit side, to R's capital you have to write 10,000 on 10,000 on P's account and Q's account, 10,000 on Q's account. Okay. So this capital will be there, 10,000, 10,000. I think we write everything ready to get question. So we have to tally that value. Check last time, goodwill already discussed, patent discussed, provision for doubtful debt discussed, R to go investment discussed, provident fund discussed. Okay. Now we have to tally that accounts. This is 34,800, 34,800, 34,800, then 42,400. Okay. 34,800, 44,800, 42,400. You have to be careful when you calculate that value. You have to be careful, because it's very crucial factor for any kinds of problem when you tally the balance. To balance CD in R's account, who is a retired person? R retired person. Okay, so you have to remember that thing. 22,520, 34,800 minus 10,000 minus 2,280. So that's why the value is 22,520 and 22,520. Okay. Now in R's part you have to write, because he is retired, that's why you have to write to R's loan account. Okay, always remember you have to write that R's loan account. What is the value? 25,460. Never write in the column to balance CD. You have to write separately R's loan account. Okay. Now this is the question and this is the solution, and to discuss everything about this question. So when you calculate the thing, this type of adjustment will definitely comes in your board exam. Okay, if the question maker will ask any question in a moderate way. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही, बाय.